You saw an ad for a job, you're totally qualified for it, it's offering great pay, and you've totally nailed the interview. The employer is ready to hire you on the spot, but first they want to run a criminal background check, and now it's been several weeks since you've heard from them. And you're unsure if there was something on that report that could have caused you to not get that job. And you want to know now, what are the ways that you can get your criminal background report? Hi, I'm Ian Lyngklip. I'm a consumer protection attorney from Southfield, Michigan, and I love my job. Every day, I get to help real people with real problems, protecting consumers from consumer reporting agencies, debt collectors, and car dealers. Today, I want to talk to you about those ways that you can get a copy of your background report. Now, these background reports are governed by a statute called the Fair Credit Reporting Act. This statute ensures that you have access to a background report that is used against you in the employment process. And there are three principal ways that you may be able to get a hold of a background report that is used in your employment application. The first way is directly from the background check company. Now, if that background check company is issuing a report that has adverse public record information, meaning information about a conviction or an arrest, and they have not updated that report recently, the statute requires that that company issue a copy of that report to you before they issue it to your employer. So that's the first way that you may be able to get that report. The second way that you can get a copy of your background report is from your employer. Now, if an employer receives a background check that has adverse information on it and they intend to use that information adversely to you in the employment process, they are required to give you a copy of that report before they take adverse action against you. So that's the second way that you can get it. And then the third way that you can get a copy of the report is that you can request it directly from the background check company. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that each company that maintains records on you give you a copy of your background report for free once a year. So that's the third way that you can get it, is by requesting it. Now, on my website at consumerlawyers.com, we have sample letters that you can use to order copies of the most common background checks. And you can get those from my website for free. Now, why am I telling you all this? Because if you're watching this video right now, you probably had questions about how to get your background check report. If you still have those questions after watching this video, you can call me at area code 248-208-8864. Or you can email your questions to info@consumerlawyers.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Ian Lyngklip. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you don't stand up to protect your rights, no one else will.